Hello my happy friends. For today's video we're gonna play with some resin. A friend of mine just got married, and so I've got her wedding flowers and I've got her new initial. So let's put these in this with some resin. Hey everybody. Okay, so I finished the first one. This one has all the shimmering snow glitter in it. So we're gonna pop this one out because I only have this one mold. So we're gonna take this one out, see how it came out, and then we're gonna start again. I have the other secondary little bouquet of roses, and then we're gonna re-pour this up again, but no glitter, just clear. So let's go ahead and pop this out. I can already tell that the edges are really sharp, so I'm going to be sanding and smoothing those down. But that's okay. All right, let's do this. That looks so pretty. Oh wow. So that looks really neat. Yeah. So we'll clean up the edges and then that way it's not so sharp. We did get one lonesome bubble right there. You guys can see that one right there that got stuck. That's okay. Gives it character. And I love how, so if you notice, the roses were a little bit bigger than my mold, so they came out. But I did cover these, so they are 100% sealed in the resin, so there won't be any way for them to turn or anything like that. But it's so cool because it gives it depth. So, all right, so here's the one with glitter. I hope you guys like the way it came out. So let's go ahead and do the totally clear. Okay, you guys, I've cut up and placed it all into the mold now. I tried to make sure that it didn't exactly lay out the same as the first one. I want them to be a little bit different. Resin's ready to go. So now I'm just gonna pour this up. And again, same as last time, in layers, because we don't want to overburn these roses. So let's pour. Okay, you guys, so we finished the other A. So we've got the one, and the other one is right here, all finished, ready to be popped out. So let's go ahead and do that. Got some scraps. That looks amazing. I have the edges to clean up, which will take care of that. That's not a problem. Few bubbles inside, but you can't really see them unless you're like looking for them. So okay, so one thing that's really hard with deep pours like this is as you're pouring them, you'll sometimes, depending on how well you mix or outside weather, all kinds of different things can factor, but you can see lines on every time you pour. Great news, I didn't get that with this one, so it's all solid. This is great. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm super excited. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean up the edges. All I do is I trim any of this excess stuff off. There we go, you can see one right there. I trim all that off, and then I take my sanding, I take a little sandpaper and I clean all the edges up, and then I take this resin wax stuff and I rub it on there and smooth it out. And I've already done it to this one so I can show you. When it's finished, you got this nice, clean, beautiful edge. So you can see it on both sides. But it comes out nice and clean. It's not sharp, it won't hurt anybody. But so I'm gonna finish those off camera. But for now, here's both the clear and with the smoky glitter. So I hope you guys enjoy the A's with my friend's wedding roses in them. And as always, thank you for watching my video. Please, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to click on the pretty subscribe button. Also, if you give this video a thumbs up, that would be great. And if you want to see more of my videos, click on the notification bell, and that way YouTube will let you know the next time I've uploaded. So on that, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.